of you to say a few words about the journey that you had from your perspective with us and with Vinita's progress.
Sure, I think definitely I wanted to convey this to 98th percentile and to you. Sometime we are around when Kito is doing classes, and we like your teaching style. You're very patient, and we have really seen in both the kids improvement after they joined. They went to kind of other similar classes for maths and English and everything. But frankly speaking, I was not impressed. This is first time, when sometime I'm around, I see that how pleasant you are, your teaching style, and everything. Even the other teacher, what's the name? Mr. Patan, yeah. So he's also I see that he's very pleasant, and your focus on kids and the way you explain on your screen, everything is so impressive. I hope you continue to keep guiding. I'm not sure whether Vinita is going to get a new teacher in grade 8, but it would be great if you can continue with her in grade 8. And yeah, so far it has been a wonderful journey and impressive.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kittu, for your kind words. And yes, I am continuing to be Vinita's teacher in grade 8 as well, and I would love to have her with me because I really love teaching her. The way she connects with me and the way I can connect with her, that is really amazing. Okay?
Yeah.
And I have seen many students in my life, but Vinita is one of the most favorite student. Okay? Considering her nature, the way she responds, the sense of responsibility that she has, that is just truly amazing and appreciable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And just to add one more thing.
Yes.
I think you have added a lot of, you have boosted her confidence so much. I see her more confident now than what she was in grade 7. So that was very important for me, that, she should gain confidence. And that's what she is now, very confident. Even in her math score, she did really well, much better than last time.
That is...
So, yeah, this is first time she scored very high score, she never did in past. So we could really see the difference.
Thank you so much. And that is an achievement for us. If we can bring that change in our students, that is an achievement for us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words.
I think we really found the right person. So we really, we really struggled in the past, finding who is going to be the suitable teacher. And now I think our search is ended here, and we could really see that she can continue. Now, upcoming thing will be SAT for her, right? So I would like to see her scoring well in her all other exams, and, she makes it good for the college. That's what our aim should be.
Of course she would, and she would definitely do. What I found was the potential in her, and I just made her realize her potential. That is what she has to understand. That's it. If she understands her potential, if she finds it, then she'll surely make it. Okay? Thank you so much.